Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a culinary journey to the heart of Punjab to bring you a classic and comforting dish, Punjabi Chole Masala. This hearty and flavorful chickpea curry is a staple in Punjabi cuisine. Known for its rich aroma and spicy kick, we have got a medley of spices that will transform ordinary chickpeas into a culinary masterpiece. From the warmth of cumin and coriander to the fiery heat of red chili powder, every ingredient plays a critical role in creating the perfect balance of flavors. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So let's get cooking and experience the authentic taste of Punjabi Chole Masala. So now let's begin. So first take 500 grams channa or chickpeas and soak it overnight, adding just enough water to cover the chickpeas completely. Then take the pressure cooker and add the soaked chickpeas. Add 2 tea bags. Add some salt to taste and add just enough water to cover the chickpeas completely. Then cover the lid and cook it for about 5 whistles. Then to make tomato puree, in a blender jar add 4 tomatoes cut in medium pieces. And add about 4 tablespoons water. Then blend it to a smooth paste. When ready, simply leave it in a separate bowl. Leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the chickpeas. When ready, simply remove the tea bags. As you can see, the chickpeas have nicely cooked. Also, it has got a nice color. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 2 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon stick, and fry it for a few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 green chilies and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add the tomato puree which was previously made and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon amchur powder or chaat masala. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook. Then cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. Then simply add the cooked chickpeas and give this a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube and then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a nice mix. Then add 2 tablespoons clarified butter or ghee and add about 2 tablespoons dry kasuri methi. If it needs some salt, then do add some salt at this point. Then give this a nice mix. You can have this with bhatura, puri, bread or with rice. Then allow it to boil until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, our delicious Punjabi Chole Masala is ready to serve. The rich and flavorful curry combined with the soft and tender chickpeas. Don't forget to garnish it with some fresh coriander and a squeeze of lime for an extra burst of flavor. I hope you will give this recipe a try at home. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.